Hi, my name is Daniel Reeves, and today I will be walking you through the roommate selection process at the University of the Cumberlands. To begin, log into the housing portal with your UC credentials. The housing portal will be linked in the description of this video. From there, you will click on Housing Selection, and then select Roommates. Begin by checking that you are in the right term. If you aren't in the right term, you will see a message saying that you are ineligible to submit requests. Once you have selected the correct term, in roommate selection, you have to search for your roommate. If you know who you want to room with, you can search by their full name or partial name. If you don't know someone, there is other criteria to search by to find someone who you'd be compatible with as a roommate. Double check with your friend that they've submitted their housing contract. They won't show up in a roommate search if they haven't submitted it yet. Once both of you have filled out the housing contract, your roommate prospect will show up in the search, and you can request a match with them. Once you have sent a request, your intended roommate will receive an email detailing the request. From there, they can go to the housing portal and either view, email you, accept or deny the roommate request. Once they have accepted, you will see text that says that the roommate group is fully matched on both of your housing portals. You will also receive an email confirming the match. You are now ready to move to room selection.